Fucking hell, we don't have time. A longer explanation is here. A short explanation is where you are. You're on video 334. Source code is there. So in the top level helper functions, we have this glue touch function. It's a helper function, and it's going to take two touching two values and pack them together into a touching four. So here's the two values. We're going to air check the inputs here. We're going to glue them together here, and then we're going to spit them out here. Then in the top level unit test functions, we have added this cross-checking function that cross-checks the unit test table in the unit test function against the top level lookup tables that have this series of characters inside of their identifiers. So we're going to input the test table we want to cross-check. You can pause here to look at what these variables are. We're going to loop through by row and column to loop through in scanline order. We're going to convert the column and the row into a one-dimensional index so that we can fetch the value out of this unit test table and get the hex value. Then we want to test this touching for hex value against the touching for value that is encoded by two lookup tables. So depending on which column we're on, we're going to either use this lookup table for 0 degrees, 90 degrees, 180, or 270. So once we have these two touching two values, we want to convert them into a touching for value. We're going to use the helper function there for that to get a touching for, and then our final cross check, right? Make sure that this touching for value is equal to this touching for value. If they're not, we're going to crash. And then here is our main unit test function for the rotation tables. And inside of here, we have added these little tags to better understand what these different columns are for inside of this unit test table. And we are done with this. We're done with this because now we have this function, but we're still not done with the unit test code. So we're still not done yet. So I added this still here. And here's what we did previously. Here's our footnotes, and here's what we did in this video. So like, subscribe, send money in the mail. We got to get out of here.